Samsung is about to change the foldable game again, and this time, it's not just an upgrade, it's a statement. Imagine a foldable that finally fixes the biggest complaints users have had for years: a better shape, a slimmer body, and the return of a fan-favorite feature that could completely redefine productivity on a foldable. This is everything we know about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now here's where things get really interesting. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. Samsung is reportedly working on a completely new form factor that could change how foldables feel in the hand. Instead of the tall and narrow design we've seen for years, this wide version is expected to feature a more balanced aspect ratio, closer to a tablet when unfolded. This means better video playback, improved app scaling, and a much more natural multitasking experience. It's the kind of change users have been asking for, and Samsung might finally deliver it. But the real highlight, the feature that could steal the entire show, is the S Pen. Yes, the S Pen might be making a comeback. After being removed in recent Fold models due to design limitations, Samsung is now reportedly developing a thinner and more advanced S Pen that can work seamlessly with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 or its wide variant. If this turns out to be true, it would be a massive upgrade for power users, bringing back precise note-taking, sketching, and productivity features that made earlier Fold devices stand out. And this time, it could be even better optimized for a larger, wider display. With all these changes, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another foldable, it's Samsung's answer to the future. A slimmer design, a wider display, and the possible return of the S Pen could finally make foldables feel complete. And with the expected launch at Samsung's July 2026 Unpacked event, the wait might not be that long. Alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8, the company is also rumored to introduce the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and possibly a new variant, the Galaxy Z Wide Fold, which could directly challenge Apple's expected foldable iPhone. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is set to debut in July 2026, following Samsung's usual yearly release pattern for foldable devices. This schedule helps the company maintain its strong position in a market that is quickly becoming more competitive, especially with major brands like Apple entering the segment. By offering a broader lineup including the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and the rumored Galaxy Z Wide Fold, Samsung is clearly aiming to attract a wider range of users. Samsung's pricing approach for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 reflects a balance between premium specifications and user accessibility. The device is expected to come in 3 variants to suit different preferences: 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, $999, 12GB RAM plus 12GB storage, $2,499, 16GB RAM plus 1TB. Storage pricing yet to be confirmed. The starting price remains in line with the previous generation, helping ensure that the device continues to appeal to premium users despite increasing production expenses. According to well-known analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who shared insights on X, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold model could incorporate a laser-drilled metal display plate. This technology is designed to better distribute the stress created when the screen is folded, potentially resulting in a crease-free display. The crease has been a common concern since the launch of the first-generation Galaxy Fold. Although its visibility has been reduced over time, it has not been completely eliminated. Reports suggest that this new component will be supplied by the South Korean company Fine M Tech. The same supplier is also expected to provide similar components to Apple for its first foldable iPhone, which is anticipated to debut this year. However, this advanced component is said to be more expensive than the one currently used in the Galaxy Z Fold 7. As a result, production costs may increase. It remains unclear whether Samsung will absorb these additional costs or pass them on to consumers through higher pricing. A recent report suggests that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 will be officially revealed at a Galaxy Unpacked event in London. According to Kim Dae-yeon from Korea Economic TV, Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event is expected to take place in London, UK, on July 22, 2026. Alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and the Galaxy Z Fold 8, the company is also rumored to introduce a new model called the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Wide. This device is expected to feature a wider 4:3 aspect ratio display along with support for the S Pen. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Fold Wide are anticipated to use foldable OLED panels with no visible crease. Samsung Display previously showcased a similar crease-free panel at CES 2026, highlighting the company's progress in display technology. We've recently had the opportunity to check out quite a few finds that attempt to convey the new screen shape of the Fold 8 Wide, even if they don't show anything of the Fold 8 Wide hardware themselves. These screens helped reinforce our expectations for the screen shape users can expect. And now we've got some new screens, as well as a new animation to further back that up. Early firmware builds have revealed some depictions of the Fold 8 Wide. All the imagery here clearly depicts devices very different from the Galaxy Z Fold we know today. And while we are making a few guesses on the precise aspect ratio, as we account for things like bezels, and all these assets, it's roughly around 1.3 to 1. As if that shape weren't enough to convince you we're not just looking at the next regular Z Fold, with its much closer to square 1.11 to 1 aspect ratio. We also find H8 in the file names for those two still screens. In case you've forgotten, H8 was a code name we associated early on with Samsung's wide fold plans. And now the total number of devices could be increasing. The certification submitted through China's 3C database connects two battery variants EB, BF977DAY and EB, BF977DAE to a model number that hasn't been seen before, SM-F977. That specific identifier hasn't shown up in any previous leaks. Samsung's naming strategy isn't very complicated at this stage. The F9 prefix in a model number almost always indicates a fold device. So SM-F977 most likely belongs to the Fold lineup, even if the exact version is still unknown. A Galaxy Z Fold 8 FE seems like the most likely option, as suggested by Sammy Guru. 3C listings do not clearly separate final production hardware from early engineering samples. The listing reveals a 2,485 mAh cell. Samsung typically uses dual-cell battery setups in its foldable devices, so this 2,485 figure is very likely just one of the two cells, bringing the total capacity to roughly 5,000 mAh. The SM-F977 model number hasn't appeared anywhere else so far, which can be interpreted in two ways. It may suggest that Samsung is handling leaks more carefully than before, or it could mean that this device is still at a very early stage, possibly just an engineering prototype inside a lab. The Galaxy Z Wide Fold is expected to be quite different from earlier Galaxy Z Fold devices, as it may introduce a significantly wider foldable display. Recently, One UI 9 has revealed more details about this upcoming device. We were able to access the firmware file for the SM-F971B, which is believed to be the Galaxy Z Wide Fold. Within this firmware, we found images that give hints about the device's display aspect ratio. Based on these visuals, the foldable screen appears to feature a 4:3 aspect ratio. For comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 comes with an almost square foldable display, featuring a 1.11 to 1 or approximately 3.33 to 3 aspect ratio. This suggests that the Galaxy Z Wide Fold could offer a noticeably wider viewing experience than current Galaxy Z Fold models. This also brings its aspect ratio closer to that of the Galaxy Z Tri-Fold. A wider display could improve the overall viewing experience, especially when watching videos or browsing photos, making it more practical than previous Galaxy Z Fold devices. It may also align closely with Apple's rumored foldable iPhone, which is expected to launch later this year. All successfully passed India's BIS certification, along with the still unidentified Galaxy Buds Able earbuds. This marks another key requirement completed, pushing these devices one step closer to an official market release. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you watched, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I truly appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Peace out.